Hey, what's up, guys? If you feel like you're replacing the battery too many times or you boosting it every morning, um, it's time to change your alternator. I'm going to show you how to do that in this 2007 Honda Accord. Giddy, let's go. Let's get it. Yeah. All right, what you got to do first is disconnect any of these terminals. Could be the power, could be the ground. Let's do the power, all right? 10 millimeter, just like that, all right? Gucci. What we're gonna do after that, the battery, when I disconnect this guy right here and right here, this one right here, all right, just peel that off, that rubber pulls, okay. This one's gonna be just squeeze it and pull it, pulls, okay, squeeze it right here. This one, like I said, peel it off. This one right here. If you think that this is too tight for you, that's fine. All right, we're gonna proceed to remove the bell, okay. You're gonna grab 14 double bots. It will be better because you don't have that much space over here. And then put it over there. Pull it towards you. Okay. Just like that. Pop. All right. After we remove the bell, we got 3 bolts. This one, 2 on the bottom. That one, and this one. Okay. It's right there. This one. This two right here. All right. Those bolts gonna be 12 millimeter socket. All right. I'm gonna use uh, a ratchet extension, 3 inches extension, if I'm not mistaken, and the 12 socket, 12 millimeter socket. That one, and the ones at the bottom. Uh, mm, two at the bottom, right here. Now I want to show my face. I don't want it to fall in love with me. These two at the bottom, they the same length. All right. Now this one right here. The one on top is the longest one. Pulse. All right. Now that I have a space here, like that. All right. Now I have a space for that one. 10 millimeter for that nut. 10 millimeter for that nut. Just like that. Now we can remove it. Uh, let's see. Have another clip over here that we can just pop it. Now over here, 10 millimeter for the compressor lines. I just need a There we go. You saw it. You saw it. Now you see how to put this guy back. Pause. All right. Just like that. Oh, put this guy first. Oops, sorry. There we go. Just be careful when you use the electric gun on that part of the alternator. You could break it. The electric gun is too strong for that, so watch out. Be very careful. I want to hear later, Joe, I broke it. Should be good. There you go. All right. I'm gonna grab the top bowl and put it first. I'm probably gonna have to put show my big ass head post. Okay. This is real like that. Okay. Good. Alright. Now the two at the bottom. Okay, make sure all of them are there. Now tight it. All right. Whew. All right, now connector. Click. Put the bell back. Your serpentine bell is supposed to go like this. Like this. All right. All right, same way you remove it, same way you put it back. Okay. Grab your 14. Do your thing. Pop. Just like that. You come through over here. Connect the power. 10 millimeter. You'll sick. You'll sick up. Pretty much. All right, let's start it. What up, Cook? So, don't forget to put the bolt that hold the AC line, 10 millimeter. Let's just start the car now. Now we can start the car. All right, here we go. Here goes nothing. We need to boost it. Oh, I see. All right. Here goes nothing. There you go. What you said? All right, and that's how you replace the alternator in this beauty. 2007 Honda Accord 2.4 liter engine. You see what's up. All right. I just want to give shout outs to your subscribers, viewers, what you're waiting for. I need to tell you what to do with the subscribe, like, share buttons. You know what I'm saying? But if you have something to say, put it in the comment box. Let me know how you feel about this car. If you do this project, how did it go? All that. Put it in the comment box. Let me know. All right. And if you want to show some love to the channel, right below the video, there's a heart. It says super thanks. Click on it, and it's going to ask you to leave a tip. All right. You do that, I would appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. With all your support, I just get better tech, camera, microphones, flashlights, accessories for it. So I can make you feel like you in the front row. You know what I'm saying? Pulse. Like a movie theater. You eat? Pretty much. Right. I'm gonna leave it right here. I'm not gonna hold you up. Thank you for watching. Holla at your boy. It's me. That's Kaboom. Hey.